Google. Let's go get him again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to the Robes Away channel. I am your host, Mark. Today's video is a subscriber's choice. Last week, we had a little bit of fun. We did a subscriber's choice for sampling samples. We're going to do it again this week, but with a different roster. I feel like I'm going to do that every week. I'm going to change it up. That one week's going to be designer. The week after is going to be privé designer fragrances, niche and indie. So the price points are around the same. I think it's more fair that way, and then we'll go back and forth. So you have 5 choices. That's the way it works. I choose 5 from my whole sample kit. I got tons. And the winner kind of gets out, and then I just replace it with another one. So the voting starts today. Today's Tuesday. I'm going to finish it off this week on Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern is when the voting ends. 1 vote per comment per YouTube channel. So if you have a couple YouTube channels, you win. You get more votes. Let's try to get 100 votes this time. We went a little under 100 on the last video. I'd like to see more. I know that designer fragrances may not be my audience, so this may be a little more up your speed. And then I'll tally up the votes, and then the week after that, Saturday, is going to be that sampling sample, so it gives me at least a week to work. So now looking at the roster here, the 5 that I picked, we got some privé lines from Christian Dior, Yves Saint Laurent, and Bvlgari, and then we have a couple niche brands, a well-known one, Nasomatto and Serge Lutens. Uncle Serge is in the lineup. So let's take a look. We got some new fragrances, we got some hype beasts, and we got that's pretty much it. There's nothing fairly super old in this one. So let's start it off with Christian Dior, and this is their newest release. I just did a new release video on this one. It is Dioriveria. So it is the first privé fragrance by Francis K for the House of Dior. That is a standalone, a new release from the brand. So if you want to hear my thoughts on Dioriveria, please, you know what to do, comment below. Next is from the brand of Serge Lutens, of course, Uncle Serge, and this is their newest release, Écrin de Fumée. Smoky, perhaps smoky. The juice, just FYI, is very dark, which is always a good sign. Next, from the brand of Nasomatto, their newest release, Sadonaso. So that one, I think it was this year's released. A hype beast from the brand of YSL, Yves Saint Laurent, Babycat. So Babycat I have not smelt before. It's going to be the first one. If you do vote for that one, you'll see it on video. And lastly, from Bvlgari, this is Tygar. So this one also has a hype beast surrounding it. So there you are. There's the 5 choices. Again, comment below. 1 comment per YouTube channel. And then we're going to tally it up. And Friday is going to be the end of that, and then the week after I am going to review one of these, and then I will supplement or supplement it with another fragrance for the week after that. So there you have it. Looking forward to your comments. Thanks.